The Sunday basket versus the action file. They're both great. It just depends on your personality type and what works for you. What is a Sunday basket? A Sunday basket is basically a container to place papers, like to-do papers and incoming papers throughout the week that do not require immediate action. And you don't touch it until usually Sunday, whatever one day that you pick during the week. What is an action file? And an action file, similar concept. One place where you can put all of the papers that are to-do papers or that have an action associated with them or that come into your home. The action files difference is that you have a couple of categories that you just put in really quickly. They're all based on what is the next action needed with the paper. So with the Sunday basket, the difference is you're putting all of the papers for the week in one basket. You're not sorting them and you don't do anything with them until your one day, Sunday. The action file, the difference is you put new papers and to-do reminders, anything active in one of just a few categories. So you do a quick, simple sort by the action. So you kind of pre-batch instead of everything being in one folder. When it comes to completing tasks, so with the Sunday basket, you're scheduling one block of time on one day, usually Sunday, but it can be any day depending on your schedule. With the action file, when it comes to completing tasks, you are working on the tasks based on your energy that moment and your daily plan. If you don't have the time, it is okay. You're not getting backed up. If you don't have the energy, then you have either some easier tasks that you can choose from, or you can just skip some of those and do just make it through your day, because some days that's what it is.